What's up, everyone? Today we're zeroing in on the next big thing in the market: biotech stocks set to explode by 2026. I've dug into the latest analyst reports, especially a new one from Truist, to find the companies with the biggest upside. We'll break down why these stocks are on the radar, what makes them stand out, and the catalysts that could send them soaring. Biotech is complex, but the rewards can be massive, so I'll make it simple. If you want to know which companies could lead the next wave of medical innovation and deliver serious returns, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First up is Vertex Pharmaceuticals, ticker VRTX, the king of cystic fibrosis treatments. Vertex's monopoly in cystic fibrosis gives it a fortress-like moat and steady cash flow, funding bold bets on new therapies. But Truist is bullish because Vertex is pivoting beyond cystic fibrosis. Their late-stage non-opioid pain drug, VX548, could be a game-changer in non-addictive pain relief. Early results are promising, and if approved, it could be a blockbuster. Vertex is also leading in gene editing, partnering with CRISPR Therapeutics to launch Casgevy, the first CRISPR-based therapy for sickle cell disease. The rollout is complex, but the long-term potential is huge. They're also working on a cell therapy for type 1 diabetes. Early trials show patients off insulin. The diabetes market is massive, and success here would dwarf even their cystic fibrosis business. Vertex has a cash cow core and multiple shots at blockbuster drugs in pain, gene editing, and diabetes. Truist's thesis: the market undervalues this pipeline. You're mostly paying for the stable cystic fibrosis business. It's a rare mix of stability, profitability, and explosive growth potential. For investors, that's a powerful narrative. Keep a close eye on Vertex as we approach 2026. If even one of these pipeline bets pays off, the upside is enormous. That's why Vertex tops Truist's list. The next few years could be transformative for Vertex. Let's move to the next innovator. Next is Regeneron Pharmaceuticals, ticker REGN, a biotech giant built on relentless innovation. Their secret weapon? VelociSuite, a proprietary platform that accelerates drug discovery and development. This tech edge has produced a robust pipeline and blockbuster drugs. Eylea, their flagship for retinal diseases, has been a cash machine, but its patents are expiring. Investors worry about biosimilar competition, but Regeneron is fighting back with a high-dose Eylea, offering less frequent dosing and defending market share. The real growth engine now is Dupixent, co-developed with Sanofi. Dupixent treats inflammatory conditions like eczema and asthma, and its sales are exploding. New indications keep expanding its market, and Truist sees it as Regeneron's next multi-billion-dollar pillar. Beyond Dupixent, Regeneron's pipeline is deep, especially in oncology. Their cancer drug Libtayo is gaining traction, and more experimental therapies are in the works. A breakthrough in oncology could unlock huge value. Financially, Regeneron is rock-solid profitable, low debt, and smart with capital. Truist's thesis: the market is too focused on Eylea's patent cliff and missing Dupixent's explosive growth and the pipeline's potential. By 2026, Dupixent's dominance will be clear, and new products, especially in cancer, could change the game. Regeneron has a track record of execution and innovation. Betting against them has rarely paid off. This is a company that reinvents itself. The next act could be their biggest yet. Regeneron is a must-watch for biotech investors. Let's see who's next on the list. On to the mRNA revolution. Now let's talk Moderna, ticker mRNA, the company that put mRNA vaccines on the map with Spikevax. Their COVID-19 vaccine was a global breakthrough, but the real story is their mRNA platform. The market is treating Moderna like a one-hit wonder, but Truist sees a pipeline powerhouse. With over $10 billion in cash, Moderna is developing new mRNA vaccines and therapeutics. Top of the list, a combo COVID flu shot, one annual jab for both viruses. The convenience and market size are huge, and this could launch by 2026. They're also close to approval for an RSV vaccine, targeting a major unmet need for infants and seniors. Success here would diversify revenue beyond COVID. But the real moonshot? Personalized cancer vaccines. Moderna and Merck are developing custom mRNA vaccines to train the immune system to attack specific cancers. Early data is promising, and by 2026 we'll know much more. If it works, it could revolutionize cancer treatment. Moderna's mRNA platform also targets rare diseases and autoimmune disorders, each a potential blockbuster. Truist's thesis: the market undervalues Moderna's pipeline. If even one or two new products succeed, the stock could be dramatically undervalued today. It's higher risk than Vertex or Regeneron, but the upside is massive. Moderna is an innovation factory, not a one-trick pony. The next few years will reveal if mRNA can deliver on its promise. For bold investors, this is a high-reward play. Let's move to a steady giant with a new plan. Next up is Gilead Sciences, ticker GILD, a biotech veteran known for HIV and hepatitis C breakthroughs. Their HIV franchise is a cash machine, providing stable, predictable revenue and a solid dividend. But after curing hepatitis C, Gilead struggled to find its next growth engine, and the stock has stagnated. That's why Truist sees value. The market is so pessimistic you're getting the HIV business cheap and the pipeline almost for free. The big bet now is oncology. Gilead acquired Kite Pharma, making it a leader in CAR-T cancer therapies, re-engineering immune cells to fight cancer. Their CAR-T drugs, Yescarta and Tecartus, are growing fast and expanding into new cancer types. By 2026, oncology could be a major revenue driver, changing Gilead's narrative. Another key asset, Trodelvy, a targeted therapy for breast and other cancers with blockbuster potential if approved for more uses. Gilead is also advancing next-gen HIV treatments, like long-acting injectables, to protect its core business. The investment case, a turnaround story. The stock is cheap, pays a strong dividend, and has multiple catalysts ahead. By 2026, Gilead could be a diversified biopharma giant, not just an HIV company. If oncology pays off, the stock won't stay this cheap. It's a conservative pick with solid upside for value investors. Gilead's next act could surprise the market. Let's wrap up with another mRNA innovator. On to BioNTech. Here's why it matters. Last up is BioNTech, ticker BNTX, the scientific force behind the first mRNA COVID vaccine in partnership with Pfizer. Like Moderna, BioNTech is flush with cash and facing a post-pandemic pivot, but their roots are in oncology, and that's where they're refocusing. BioNTech has one of the broadest cancer pipelines in biotech personalized vaccines, CAR-T, antibodies, and more. Unlike Moderna, they're platform agnostic, using whatever tech best targets each cancer. Over 20 oncology programs are in clinical trials, and by 2026, we'll see which ones have blockbuster potential. The company expects its first cancer drug on the market by then. A single success could transform its valuation. Their partnership model is a strength. The Pfizer alliance proved they can scale, and they're signing more deals to share risk and accelerate development. Financially, BioNTech is rock-solid, billions in cash, no debt, and the freedom to fund their pipeline or make strategic acquisitions. Truist's thesis: the market is too focused on declining COVID vaccine sales and ignoring the oncology pipeline's potential. As clinical data rolls in, the narrative will shift from pandemic to cancer breakthroughs. BioNTech's science, partnerships, and financial firepower make it a ground-floor opportunity for long-term investors. If their cancer bets pay off, the upside is huge. The current valuation doesn't reflect this potential. For those willing to wait, BioNTech could be a future oncology powerhouse. The next few years will be pivotal. Don't overlook this one. BioNTech is more than a COVID story. It's a bet on the future of cancer treatment. That wraps up our list. Let's talk about your next move. Here's what to remember. Final thoughts up next. There you have it. 5 biotech stocks truest analysts believe could make big moves by 2026. Each offers a unique mix of proven success and future growth. But remember, biotech is high risk, high reward. This video is for informational purposes only. Do your own research before investing. Check financials, read presentations, and know your risk tolerance. Which of these companies are you most bullish on? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives on market trends. Thanks for watching. See you next time.